Hello everyone. Start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Take two more sections right underneath it, once again tie it up, roll the hair in on itself, and then repeat the step once more. Now taking the sides, loosen it slightly using your fingers. Make two sections at the bottom and braid both of these sections. After you're done braiding them, crisscross them and then pin it up at the top on alternate sections as such. Use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place on either side. Add some decorative clips on top of this once you are done. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, roll the hair in on itself as such. At the bottom left side, make three sections out of the hair, and then in the middle of each of these sections, add a rubber band in the middle section. Roll the hair in on itself in each of these three sections in the middle section. Now pull them through the top section you have created, bring them through the other side, and then make a braid out of it. Pin up this braid onto the left side, and after this, use a multiple prong decorative pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, we will start off by tying a low ponytail out of the hair and leave a small bump at the base that makes it look like a bun. Add a rubber band at the base of the hair, divide the hair into two parts, and after this, roll the hair in on itself. Wrap it around the bun that you have created, use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Next, use a clip in order to do so. Next, we will start off by taking a multiple prong pin, tie a ponytail out of the hair, and then use the pin in order to fasten it in its place. Divide the hair into two sections and then braid both of these two sections. After you are done braiding both of these two sections, insert it alternatively after crisscrossing it as such. After this, use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Make sure that you add the decorative pin initially itself. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. After this, take two sections from either extreme of the sides and then tie it up at the back. Roll it through the top once more, tighten it, and then taking the bottom section of the hair, begin to braid the hair as such. After this, roll it up into a bun. After you have rolled it up into a bun, use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. This is what it should look like. Take two sections of the hair from either side, roll the hair in on itself, and then divide the bottom portion of the hair into two parts. Tie a rubber band to both of these two parts. Add a section to the middle of each of these two sections, and then roll the hair in on itself. Bring the right side section through the top side, and then bring the left side section through the top right side as such. Now gather both of these sections together, tie a rubber band at the base of it, and then lift it up, fasten it in its place. Use a decorative pin in order to do so as well. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Divide the rest of the hair into two parts, and then begin to braid both of these two parts. Loosen the sides of both of these braids as such, using your fingers. This is what it should look like. Once you're done with this, roll both of these braids upwards, and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Take the left side braid and then pin it up onto the right side, and then take the right side braid and then pin it up onto the left side. Once again, use bobby pins in order to do so, and then use small little pins in order to add a decorative aesthetic to it. Take two sections from either side of the scalp, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. After this, add a section to the middle of each of these parts. Bring it through the top as such. After you have done this, gather the two together at the bottom, tie another rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself, pull it through the top as such. Use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Thank you for watching.